So we're here. Former barracks tol, no? Mount Davis Military Relics.
Doon tayo mag-start.
Nagsapatos ako. Fuck!
Umudulas.
Dumudulas. Okay.
Yun, paparamdam din eh. Yan. Dito yung yung mga maraming patay na
Oops.
Anong gagawin natin pagka makita tayo nakatapos na patay?
Hello? Stick mo ha, baka may babayaran mo. Kinikwento ni Retzel ngayon na before daw dito yung nilatag yung mga patay na mga... Ano yung mga patay dati, tol?
Mga doktor, mga sundalo, nurse.
Yan, dyan sa area na yan.
Yung mga nag-exo daw dito, may nakita raw silang parang naka-uniform ng Japanese na tumatakbo dito. Kaya nagulat sila baka may kasali silang ibang tao. Pero naka-uniform daw na ng panghapon.
Panghapon.
Japanese.
Oh, ayan, danger ahead. Do not enter. Hello? Hello? Tingin-tingin muna tayo. Alright. So, nakikita nyo, ano muna tayo. Tingin-tingin muna tayo, explore muna tayo. Then, tingnan natin saan medyo mabigat yung feeling for our investigation. Doon tayo maglalatag ng gamit. Marami daw claims ng ano dito, ng mga may nakikita. Like apparitions of soldier, Japanese soldier. So, tingnan natin kung may matitsyempohan tayo. And of course, thank you kay Retzel 18 for, bringing us here in this location. First time natin makapag-investigate dito sa may Hong Kong. High on the western edge of Hong Kong Island, a silent sentinel once stood guard. This is Mount Davis, once the site of the Mount Davis Battery, a formidable British coastal defense built in the early 1900s to shield the vital entrance to Victoria Harbour. But the silence was shattered in December 1941. Here, in the fierce Battle of Hong Kong, defenders fought until they received their final tragic order: destroy the weapons. The battle left the site a ruined, scarred battlefield, steeped in the loss of countless lives. Today, the abandoned battery is known for its dark, enduring local lore. The bunkers and the barracks are said to be a haunted ground. Within these hollow chambers, the desperate cries of the past echoes. Locals speak of phantom soldiers, spirits still trapped in tattered uniforms. A chilling mass grave theory persists. suggesting that hidden burial sites from the 1941 fighting contribute to the hill's deeply pervasive, eerie atmosphere. The mystery even reaches the roads below, with tales of a vanishing taxi passenger, a spectral fare who disappears mid-ride on the hill's winding paths. Now preserved as a heritage site, Mount Davis stands as a striking monument to a fierce military past and a powerful enduring reminder that some shadows of history simply refuse to fade. Greetings, souls. My name is Reeve Henry and this is I Am Reverie. And for tonight's investigation, I'm with my brother, Retzel 18. He is from here. We are here in Hong Kong and nandito kami ngayon in this military barracks. Former military barracks here in Hong Kong. So, before we start with this investigation, kausapin muna natin, Tol, what's the history about this place?
Ito dati yung ginera ng mga Japanese ng World War II. Marami daw nakalatag na patay dito dati na minasakar ng mga Japanese. Pero na-recover siya ng mga British na sundalo. Kaya naging British colony ito eh. Inagaw to ng mga British sa mga Japanese dati.
Pero ano yung kwentong mga katatakutan daw dito?
Dito kami nakarinig ng parang sundalong umiiyak na pagbaba namin ni Chris dito, nakarinig kami ng sundalong parang umiiyak, yung parang may tama ng bala na ginagamot. Dito namin narinig yun.
Si Krisa yun,
si Krisa Ghost Vlogs.
Krisa Ghost Vlogs from Team Kilabot.
Yun.
Anyways guys, Retzel 18 is a member of Team Kilabot Hong Kong. Right? Itong investigation na to, itong Ghost Hunting for Tonight is, I've been waiting for this for a few years now kasi matagal ako hindi nakabalik dito sa Hong Kong and now is the perfect time. So once again, this is Retzel 18 and my name is I Am Reverie. Samahan niyo kami for this investigation. So let's go. And for tonight's investigation, di natin makakalimutan of course, kasama natin is
Jersey.
Hi.
Jersey.
Jersey.
She's also from here in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
You're a resident here.
Yeah.
For how long now?
For I was born here, but I grew up in Philippines. Pero I came here permanently 5 years ago now.
All right.
Dear Jersey, rin na bro. IG. Yeah. Okay.
Si Jersey. And of course, we got here my son, that's Reaver.
Hi. Hello po viewers.
Hindi ka naman kinakabahan? Not scared at all? Alright, and also we have here Bombay. Ito si Bombay, bayo ko. Anything you wanna say?
Subscribe lang sa I Am Reverie.
Yun. Kabado? Excited? Let's go! Well, actually, hindi takot si Bombay, no? Marami na na-experience to ng mga supernatural things. But for tonight, we're gonna try to look for some spirits dito sa former military barracks. Let's go, Tol. So ito mga kwarto-kwarto, no? Kasi barracks dito sila. Ayan, dito sila nag-stay before. Ano siya? Isang straight lang na hallway.
Hindi ka natatakot. Sakit ka pala, tumutuloy ka dyan. Ayoko.
So definitely may mga nagsistay dito kasi we're seeing some mga empty bottles. Empty plastic bottles and also meron tayong ang linis na nandito. Ano kaya yan? Ano kaya ang laman itong plastic na to? I don't think meron. Parang siguro sa stick mo. Paper button. Nothing. Check natin dito.
spirit box session dito.
Dito kayo.
Sige, kulang mo nga kayo eh.
Oo nga, no? So, on the lookout kami sa mga wild boar. Teka na. Ako may ilaw. Hello? Hello, anybody here? Mas iba lang yung vibe dito dahil dito. So,
Dito, mga nagre-ritual.
di ba nga nagre-ritual?
Ang tawag doon, witchcraft. Mga ganun, gumagawa ng pang-uulam. May gumagawa ng dati dito.
Dito sa spot na to.
Dito sa spot na to. Ayan, yung mga pagkain, yung mga alay nila. Ayan.
Oo nga.
Ayan, yung mga yan.
Yung mga alay.
Yung alay nila.
Tsaka,
Tsaka papasag ng salamin kasi nga yung paraan ng mag-ritual nila.
okay.
Mas malupit pa dito.
Oh? So, malawak pala to. Mga tae ka la. Ayan oh, lalaki oh. Tae ng baboy to, tol.
Dating bata ang mga sundalo.
Dating?
Dating bata, parang ganun, bata.
Parang bathtub nila, paliguan. Ano ba?
Bawa. Tingin mo kami Takot ako pag ganyan. Ito tayo.
Ay. Meron pa dito, tol? Cargo. Huh? Hello? Hello? Oh, look at that. Wow. That's great art. Tadan! Ganda ng art na. Very artistic by. Napakita mo na ba? Very artistic. Gusto ni Kalan. Nakapagbasa ka na ba ng Chinese characters to?
Puro mo pa sa Chinese character.
On 7th February 1981. Mold lang? Bakit bilog? Kasi nang gagaling dito. Bumabagsak tubig. Kaya nag-form ng bilog. Okay. 10 minutes before 3. So, around 3 a.m. start tayo investigation. Alam nyo guys, maiba ako. Alam nyo si Retzel. Napaka-cool na tao. As in, nabay na. Sobrang cool, sobrang chill. And also, one thing about Retzel 18, parehas kaming musikero, parehas kaming vocalista, parehas kaming singer. So, yung dugo namin na nananalaytay, iisa lang. A very good thing kapag mag-i-investigate ka when you're going to places like this, mga abandoned places. Mas masarap kasama yung chill na tao, yung cool. Kasi, kapag OA, pangit naman yung OA, konting kibot. Diba? Takot na agad, multo na agad. So, Yossi break. Putang ina, namatay yung camera.
Relax lang.
Nalobat ako.
Relax lang. Easy lang, easy.
Nag-save kaya yun.
Yossi, easy.
Charge ko to kanina.
Actually, kahapon pa. Full charge to na already. Kaso,
Easy lang.
wala. Namatay siya ngayon. Pakita natin. For transparency. See that? Bumukas pa siya ulit ngayon pero namamatay na siya. Pag nag-start ako mag-record. So,
Busy ka ba? Nag-home mo.
Wala na.
Charot.
tago ko na to. Sige, cut muna tayo. Break lang tayo for about 5 minutes and then start tayo investigation. So, ito na yun yung mga napuntahan natin, 3 sec. Uy! Ikaw ba yun? Ikaw yun? Nakala ko baboy ram. Kasi ka lang. Mga ganun, liputan. Akala ko baboy ram mo eh. Ay, kaya napatingin ako dun. Pero dito, marami na rin nagpuntang mga ghost hunters sa mga local.
Bihira. Bihira. Siguro, baka hindi lang namin alam.
Oo.
Baka may mga nagpupunta rin.
So, sa Chinese culture, pagka dito sa Hong Kong, pag nag-ghost hunting sila, normally meron silang rituals na ginagawa.
Oo, may mga ritual sila. Parang tayo rin, mga ganito. May mga equipment din sila. Parang
Meron
tayo
din. Pero ang ending, meron silang pang-cleanse, like mga incense.
Meron.
So that's one thing na different din pagdating sa ibang bansa, no? So whenever you go to different countries, meron din silang cultures, meron silang kanilang estilo na ritual na yan yung sinasabi natin na kailangan nire-respeto natin lahat yan. Kasi it doesn't mean na hindi tayo agree dun, lalapastanganin na natin at babastusin natin. So we have to respect every culture, kung ano man yung mga ritual, ano man yung mga estilo nila na ginagawa. So, kaya natin inaalam yan. And kaya natin si Retzel kaya tinatanong natin kay Retzel, kasi si Retzel is parang considered a local na dito sa Hong Kong because he's been here for 12 years straight as a singer. And dito na sila nakatira na asawa niya. So, that's for you, the viewers, para alam nyo. And so, time check tayo. It's 3 a.m. Sa watch ko, it's exactly 3:06. So, kaya tayo mag-start ng investigation natin. Patayin na natin ito. Hello? We're looking for a Japanese soldier, Bakero. No, I mean no disrespect, but I have to at least try to provoke you.
Dito yung malakas eh.
Dito?
Dito. Dito yung malakas eh. Dito talaga, itong spot na to. Kaya nandito kami nun sa bigla, nandito kami. Talagang nilatag namin dito.
Sige, latag tayo. Okay. So, start off here.
Set up na kami guys.
Okay, so I have here the motion sensor. It's Ghostbusters inspired equipment. It was developed by LCF Strangers from Dark Paranormal. So Tol Saldi, big shout out to you. And we have this REM pod. It's also developed by Saldi. Pero meron ding REM pod si Tol Retzel, yung original na REM pod. So, tignan natin kung anong difference sila, kung paano sila mag-perform parehas. So, and also, of course, tonight, I'm gonna be using a couple of the basic ones. We have here, of course, the EMF meter and the other one, another EMF. This is the digital type. Yeah, digital type EMF. So, pag may na-detect to, tutunog yan. Like that, no? Magbi-beep lang yan. So, ayan yung totoong REM pad natin. Yung original na REM pad. Pakita natin. So, there. Of course, meron din tayong gonna be using the SB7 Spirit Box and a EVP recorder. Right, ayan. So, also meron din tayong ghost meter. Ito, old school din yan. Mismo yan. So, pag-usapang ghost hunting equipments, pang investigations, talagang medyo pricey siya. Mga mamahalin ng mga equipments. Kasi camera pa nga lang, pakita mo ba eh. So, this is the,
Night vision.
night vision camera. Ito yung infrared niya. May mic pa yan na mamahalin. Also, we have here the Sony
A7C2.
A7C2
Yep.
with yung Rhodes na mic. Kaya Rode na mic. Yan ang setup ni Tol Retzel. Very high quality, no? Okay, so yan ako setup na. Kailangan lang nilang lumapit. Huwag lang baboy ramo. Okay. Okay na. So, after nito, ipapatay natin. Let's see if yan, pag umilaw pa yan, ibig sabihin may na-detect yan na motion. Alright. And also, saan na yun? Ito. Lagyan natin yung millimeter na. Yes. This one, yung digital. Uy! Ay, may na-capture yung motion sensor, oh.
Hindi naman yan hangin.
Hindi. Hindi umalis, oh. Tol, hindi nawawala. Hindi nawawala, oh. Hindi to titigil hanggat hindi siya titigil. Hindi siya titigil kapag kalilaw. Ayan, ganyan lang. Hindi siya titigil kapag hanggat walang umalis. Meron siya na-detect, promise. Hindi siya tumitigil, oh.
Ayun, oo nga.
Ang tagal nun. Okay. Wait. Ito ha, madadaan ako ha. Ito, may nadedetect oh. Wait. Okay, let's try it one more time. Di tumitigil yung digital oh.
Kanina pa yun, hindi mo ako.
Sabi sa'yo, malakas ang spot dito eh. Itong spot na to, malakas talaga rito.
Tumunog yung REM pad. Uy!
Ay, punta nag-green oh. May ilaw na green oh. Ay, nawala, biglang nawala. Sayang. Meron talaga rito. Meron talaga rito. Nag-green siya kanina.
Nag-green na.
Oo.
Pumitik na siya. Okay.
Oh, meron to.
Now, kung may kasama kami dito, wait a minute. Ba't ako magtatagalog? Good evening. Good evening, spirits. If there's any.
Alam niya.
It is capturing something. Okay. One more time. Good evening, spirits. My name is Reeve with
Pretzel 18.
Pretzel 18 with Bombay with River and Jersey. We are just here to look for proof.
Active siya.
Active ah. I need to... Wait. Kal, kunin mo yung battery ko dun, bay, sa harap na bulsa. Akin na yung ilaw, Kal. Kunin mo yung battery sa harap na bulsa, bay. Yung extra. Okay. Okay. Are we capturing something? Is this for real? You're not stopping. Wait a minute. Try natin ilipat ng pwesto. Kasi, para tayo, walang false positive. Baka mamaya na-detect niya yung halaman eh. Sige. Okay, ito, papatay ko muna to. Okay. Baka kasi yung halaman niya na-detect eh. Ba't hindi tumitigil yung eh? Hindi tumitigil yung... Kakalibrate yan ulit. Ito, calibrating pa to ulit. Tinatay ko eh. So, yan, one more time. Calibrate ulit. Sarado muna natin. Calibrate isang beses pa. Okay. So that's the second time. Okay. Pag may tumunog pa yan, it's something. Wala nang halaman dyan, ha? Wala nang gumagalaw. O, eto.
Ano tumigil?
May something, ah. Ano yung nade-detect niya? Are you there? Do we have someone with us? Oh,
Talaga may something.
may something, Chong.
Nakakaramdam ako ng goosebumps.
May kilabot na. Meron na.
Nakakaramdam ako ng goosebumps. Ayun, lakas yun.
Kasi tumitigil eh. Kasi yan, gumagalaw yung halaman. Gumagalaw siya, oh. Kasi kung halaman yan, dapat yan. Ayan, pakita ko lang, ah. Hinahangin siya eh. Ayan, oh. Tumunog. Bye, bantayan mo yung ano ko na green, ha? Tatanggalin natin. Yes. Tatanggalin natin. Tanggalin mo yung ilaw dyan. Ito lang. Para walang shadow. Meron eh. Kunin mo yung REM pad. Kunin mo yung REM pad, bay. Yung sa akin. Sa kanan. So, naglagay na tayo ng REM pad doon, no? I had to stop muna sa pagre-record. Ito, rolling na tayo. Nalagay ko yung REM pad doon and also yung EMF. Kasi gusto ko eliminate to. Baka mamaya ito yung natatrace niya na movement. So, ifo-forward natin to. Patay ko ulit. Now, wala nang gagalaw dyan. Imposible na to. Ito, imposible na. So, at calibrate tayo ulit. Twice. Hello? Ito, sigurado na tol. Kasi, yung wala nang mga nakaharang doon. Wala nang mga dahon. Kasi dito kanina, baka mamaya, ito yung natatrace niya eh. Yung mga dahon na yan. So, doon wala na. Pero yung EMF natin na digital, it's not stopping. It's getting some tawag dito, electromagnetic na, na may nakaka-capture siyang energy. But we're not sure, baka mamaya yung tower. Pero, etong isa, hindi naman nakaka-apekto. May EMF kang dala, tol?
Ghost meter.
Ay, ghost meter. Latag natin doon, tol.
Saan nilalagay?
Ikaw na bahala kung saan mo bet, tol.
Dito kaya?
Ayan, pwede.
Malayo yan.
Ayan. So, gumagana na to. Okay na siya. Nag-calibrate na siya. Okay. So, the next time na tutunog yan, there's really something. So, one more time. Let's start, brother. Good evening once again, spirits. My name is Reeve.
My name is Retzel.
We have here Jersey. She's with us. Of course, si River and Bombay is with us. We're just looking for proof that we have spirits.
Ano daw?
Diyan lang kayo kasi baka may babayaran mo, ha. We're just looking for proof if there are spirits in this area. I don't know if you can understand us. We're going to speak in English. But if we have someone with us right now, can you please touch any... Uy, we're getting something. Ito na. Pumitik na yung EMF dito. If there's anyone with us, can you please come to us? If you are right in front of us, if you are over there, can you please come to us? Can you please do that? Feeling ko ito yung natatrace kanina, yung mga dahon. Tumigil eh. We have some equipments. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, is that you? Are you in front of us? Is that a yes? Tol, na night vision ka. Night vision tayo. Sige, focus tayo sa night vision. Patayin natin yan. Para... Okay. Okay, so we will give you the darkness that you like. Okay, if you are in front of us one more time, can you please come to us, touch any of those equipments right in front of you. Ganda ng ano mo. Ganda. Can you please do that? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. So you are...
Ang galing. Ang galing.
Nagre-respond.
Ang galing, ang galing.
It's responding. Okay, how about, since you're coming to us, can you touch that yellow light over there? Can you please do... Yeah? So you're in front of us, right? Can you please touch that yellow light over there? Can you come to us? Touch the yellow light. You see the yellow light? Can you touch that yellow light? If you are in front of us, please touch the yellow light. Can you please do that? Nandyan tol eh. We are getting something. We are getting something. Kitang-kita to sa night vision ni Tol Retzel. Tol, feeling ko kailangan natin yung REM pad mo.
Dito.
Oo, Tol, latag natin dito sa loob ng kwarto.
Sige.
Full blast tayo dito. We're getting something here on this area. Dito rin daw sila nag spirit box session. And marami silang activity nakuha dito, sabi nila Retzel. And yes. Yan Tol, sa loob.
Pag ito, tumunog.
Pag yan tumunog. Okay. Uy, nag-green Tol. Nag-green. Ayan na.
Ayan na, oh.
Ayan na.
Nandito nga. Nasa loob na.
Nandito, Chong.
Kinalabutan ako.
Kinalabutan ako ah. Ako din, kinalabutan ako.
Grabe.
Hello, is that you? Okay, sorry, I have to put this here. Ayan, tulo.
Grabe. Grabe.
So you're here inside this room?
Hindi, malamang na-stuck dito yan.
Oo.
Ay, grabe yung ilaw niya.
Ayan, puwipitik na rin yung EMF. So you are there. You are there. Uy. May ilaw si Kalel doon?
Yeah.
Oh, nawala dito. Okay, if you are there, can you please go here? Can you stop that? Can you stop that? Can you do that?
Teka, i-reset ko lang.
Sige, reset natin. Reset nito ng Retzel.
Nandiyan talaga siya. Kikinabutan.
Andyan lang, oh.
Nandiyan talaga.
Alam ko na.
Guys, nandito talaga siya. Ang grabe. Yung ilaw.
Nagwawala yung REM pad natin.
Ang grabe talaga itong spot na to. Na-reset ko na yan, ha?
Oh, na-reset na yan eh. Ano natin to? Dito, may nakaka-capture siya kanina sa labas. Dito natin tignan sa loob. Ito, wide naman to eh. Makikita kahit yung dyan, no? Okay, reset natin ulit. Kakalibrate ulit yan. Ha?
Dito talaga sa loob.
Hindi, nag-calibrate pa yan. Ayan, isa pa. Isa pa.
Ay, tumigil ka na to.
Hindi tumitigil, oh. So we have 2 REM pods. One over there, and ito yung REM pod ni, ni Tol Retzel, yung original na REM pod. Hindi siya tumitigil, it's capturing something. Okay. Ayan, pangalawang calibrate na. Ayaw tumigil, Chong. If we have spirits here inside this room, can you please come to us? Touch any of the equipments in front of you. We don't mean no harm. We're just here to get proof that you're here with us. Ikaw nga, Tol, baka sa'yo mag-respond eh.
Lipat ko kaya yung Rembrandt.
Try mo, Tol. Tingnan natin, baka sakali. Ano tumunog? Ano siya tumunog?
Layo na yun.
Puta, may ilaw pa rin, oh.
Kanina nung
Kanina.
Wala. Ibig
Wala,
sabihin,
oo.
nung nandun siya, wala.
Nung dito. Ayan na, tumigil na. Ay, hindi.
Malakas talaga sa...
Hindi kaya nandun sa dulo.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang nandun ah. Parang nandun ah.
Natatakot ako dun sa dulo.
Yung EMF tumigil. Ayan na. Tumigil, no?
Oo, tumigil. Nag-i-enjoy siya siguro sa ilaw. Grabe, oh.
Ayan, no? Nagwawala, oh.
Wala talaga siya. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo? Ayan, lagay ko nga sa dulo.
Lipat natin ulit to. Stop muna natin.
Naman. Pag-ilaw-ilaw to. Nakailang reset na ako dito.
Oo, hindi siya tumitigil eh.
Ayan, tumigil. So,
Ayun, yan.
ayan, tumigil.
Latag mo yan ba doon, oh? Dito yung isa sa pinto, yung isa dun sa dulo. Yan, dito ba? Taas tayo ulit. So as you can see, hinahanap namin yung spot kung saan talaga calibrating. Palipat-lipat kami ng spot. We're trying to find the perfect spot para matrace natin kung nasaan siya nakapwesto.
Minto na.
Eto, tumigil na.
Tumigil na.
Pero nakailang reset ka na, Tol, diba?
Ilang beses na. Siguro nakalimang reset na ako.
Ilang reset na yung ginawa ni Tol Retzel. So now, ayan, kahit yung EMF doon, yung digital, hindi na pumipitik. So ito, isang beses pa, ayan. Calibrate, ayan. Yung next niyan, pag meron ulit, yun na yun. Okay. One more time, let's try it. Again, if there's anybody with us right now, can you please come to us? If you are in front of us, can you please come to us and touch any of those equipments that you see? You see the red light over there? Can you please go there and touch that? Just come to us. Tumigil yung REM pad mo. Hindi na binago ni Tol Retzel yan, pero tumigil siya. Are you still with us? Tol, you wanna ask questions? Baka sa'yo mag-respond.
Marunong mag-ilaw Sige.
Konti lang. Pangyaw.
Ito try kong mag-translate. Meron naman tayo yan eh. English, Chinese.
Ni hao.
English muna.
Ni hao, pangyaw.
English.
Ni hao, Mandarin.
Ha? Ha?
Sabihin mo, Lei hao.
Lei hao?
Lei hao.
Ano ba yung ni hao?
It's Mandarin.
What's that? Ah, really?
Spirits here?
So, dapat?
Pero dito Cantonese.
Ah,
Lei hao.
Lei hao. Lei hao.
这里是英语。
Sige, salita ka. Salita ka. Tanong ka.
Hello, spirits. If there's anyone in here with us right now, can you please come to us? Can you please touch any of those equipment in front of you?
你好，你好，精神。如果现在有人在这里，你能过来吗？你能摸摸你面前的任何设备吗？
Oh, it's quiet. Di ba Japanese mga namatay dito? Japanese ba mga namatay dito?
Marami. Halo-halo.
Halo-halo
Locals,
na.
Japanese.
Ah, we're looking for the Japanese soldier. Hello. Lei hao. Good evening. We're looking for Japanese soldiers here. Bakero. No, I did that in Fort Drum. Nagwala yung equipments. After I said bakero, it's a bad word in Japan. So it's like PI in Tagalog. Parang ganun. Parang gago. Oh!
Oh, yan na naman siya. Takot ako.
Oh! So, wait a minute. It's after I said bakero. Okay. Are you a Japanese soldier? Is that you in front of us?
好的，你是日本兵吗？我们前面的就是你吗？
If that is you touching that REM pod, can you please walk to us? Can you please walk and come to us if that is you touching that REM pod? If that is you?
走向我们，如果您触摸了那座城墙，您可以走到我们身边吗？
Grabe, ayaw tumigil oh.
Bigla siya nag-trigger ulit. We also have a REM pod here on this side. If you are behind Jersey, you can touch that as well. Or you can touch Jersey. Just don't hurt her.
Takot yan.
Hmm?
Takot yan sa akin.
Takot sa'yo. Hindi siya tumitigil.
Ayaw tumigil.
Ano
Grabe.
tumingil? Ito so ino-observe natin kung kaya niyang pailawin ulit lahat. Kaya niyang, ayan, tumigil, ayan. Tumitigil siya eh. So, ibig sabihin, na tumitigil siya, nawawala yung, ayan na. Okay. Ayan na, we're getting something. We are now getting something. Now, that's legit, na-capture na. Kasi kanina, feeling ko tol kanina false positive dun eh. Yung nakukuha natin. But now, okay, so sinunod tayo. So thank you for that, Shishi. Shishi.
他能不能再来一次？你能再来我们这里一次吗？如果那真的是你， 你可以留在我们面前。
Sarado natin ulit.
Ba't tayo yung tumigil?
Ayun, tumigil ulit. Okay, if that is really you, can you... Oh, ano yun? Ah, sa'yo. If that is really you, can you come to this side? Can you come to this side? You can touch this as well. You can play with it as well.
如果那真的是你，你能来这边吗？你能来这边吗？你也可以摸摸它，你也可以玩它。
Grabe yung rempad mo, Chong. Oh. Hindi siya tumitigil, oh.
Ba't hindi siya tumitigil? Kanina naman nakahinto na
Ayan na. Oh, ayun, tumitigil siya to. Tumitigil siya. There is really something kasi wala din naman kami yung mga tipong may third eye, no? Hindi kami ganun ni Retzel, eh. So,
I-reset ko ulit. So,
i-reset niya ulit, no?
i-reset ko ulit.
Hindi kami yung mga tipo ng may third eye na we can, you know, sense or see otherworldly things, no? So, ordinaryong tao lang tayo using our equipments. Ayan. Nag-trigger ulit. Nag-trigger ulit. Okay. That's not Retzel, that's for sure. Malayo si Retzel, hindi siya makaka-capture nun, eh. Last chance. We'll give you 10 seconds to touch that thing over there. Touch any of those in front of you. Can you please do that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. We'll just leave our equipments. We're expecting that you'd show up and touch and play with those equipments. Thank you. Okay, so cut muna tayo ng very quick. Observe lang muna natin, tol, no? Iwan natin. Malakas ang pakiramdam ko, tol, ano, meron tayong makaka-capture. Meron eh. May nagre-respond through our equipments. So, feeling ko meron. Honestly, ako kasi tol naniniwala ako, even like different language na gamitin. Actually, in fact, kahit feeling ko kahit magtagalog tayo, I think they would understand. So ako, I believe that. That's my belief, no? Pero, sige, observe lang muna natin to. Iwan natin yung mga equipments natin dyan. We have everything there. And ito lang, lilipat ko dito. Then, tapos mag-aabang tayo sa buong hallway. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon activity. Okay, so recording tayo. 3, 2, 1. Spirits, please come to us. Bay, ilaw nga. Teka. Bato, kuha kang bato dyan, bay. Temperature yung pula, ano, tol Retzel.
Temperature yan.
Ang batong maliit. Maliit lang. Ilang nga ba? Dito nga. Tingnan natin ito. Ayan. So, okay. Okay, if we have spirits in here, can you come to us? Can you see this light?
Dito kanina naman. Para sa dalawang.
Can you...
Kaya nga, pero wala namang babida mo eh.
Tinitignan ko kung hangin ng mga ano. Pero Talaga.
Can you come to us?
Parang may naglalakad talaga. Parang may naglalakad ka.
Patingin ka din siya eh.
Oo, papatingin din siya.
Saan?
Dito parang may naglalakad talaga. Dito, sabi ko sa inyo, nandito talaga itong spot na to.
Mamaya, subukan din natin dyan. Hanggang tumago sa ating bay. Matagal ang proseso. Hindi siya madalian.
Hirap talaga. Hirap talaga kumuha ng solid evidence.
Oo, hirap kumuha, Chong. Kaya nga yung pinakita ko sa'yo kanina, Chong, jackpot nun eh. Yun yung mga one in a, one in a, hindi naman million. Mga, sobrang mahirap at tsambahan. Ay, putang ina, tumunog na. Ayan na. Thank you. Can you please do it one more time? Touch the REM pod. You see the red light? Do you see the red light? Can you please touch that? Hindi yung tutunog, Chong, hanggat walang matatrace
Oo
yun.
naman.
Touch the red light. You see the red light? Can you touch that? Tsaka yung nandun sa dulo. Yung motion sensor. Yung music box na yun, nandun sa dulo yun.
Oo.
Kaya kung tumunog yun doon, pwede natin papuntahin. Can you please come to us if you're there? So we can actually see you. Can you show yourself?
Show yourself.
Hindi, para makakita dun sa sa grid. Can you pass by? Can you walk towards us? Or float maybe? Or are you a weak spirit? Are you weak? Are you a weak spirit? Narinig mo?
Oo.
Parang may boses. Hello? Isa lang. Nagkaroon mo yung REM pad. Ayun na. Tol, umilaw yung REM pad mo. Yung green. Nakuha natin yun. Kung kailan ka umalis, no? Pumitik siya. Yun yun eh. Pag hindi mo pinapantayan, saka siya nag-ano eh. One more time. One more time. Touch the red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Okay, if you're there, come to us if you're there. Okay, you can show yourself to the camera. Smile. do it one more time. Smile. Okay, come to us one more time. Touch the REM pod. You see that red light? Touch that. Smile. Come to me. Come towards me. Come on. Okay. One more time. Show yourself. Show yourself. Show yourself. I'm here in front of you. Come to me. Come to me. Where are you? You here? You here? Okay, last chance to show up. Are you shy? Last chance in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, yung EMF natin hindi nagbago. Pero ito tumunog yung dito. Yung motion sensor natin may na-capture to. I guess back up na tayo. Time check, it's past 4 na, 4:25, no? And I think tol, okay na rin yung investigation kasi may na-capture naman na tayo activity, and yun naman yung habol lang natin. We're just looking for some activities, no, ng presence ng mga ibang bagay, no? And it's really fun na mag-investigate dito sa Hong Kong. It's my first time here na mag-investigate, lalo na kasama natin si Cal, anak ko si Retzel, of course, kasama natin. I've been waiting for this for a couple of years now kasi matagal ko lang sinisipat ang videos ni Tol Retzel. It's sobrang swertihan kang makatagpo ng ng kakilala, kaibigan na same ng ginagawa mo. Uy, ano yun? Takin mo ako. Mabuhiram mo kasi.
Hindi na ako naiinip.
Yung same ng ginagawa mo na you're doing it for passion kasi. So, nakakatuwa si Tol Retzel. Same lang kami. We do it for passion. So, kasama rin si Jersey, of course, newfound friend here in Hong Kong. How's the experience so far?
Asking me? It's okay, actually. I enjoyed it.
Nice. Goodbye, former military barracks. You've been good to us. Alright, souls, that's it for this investigation dito sa Hong Kong in this former military barracks na nakikita nyo sa likuran namin doon sa tuktok, no? I'm still again with my brother Retzel 18 from Team Kilabot. Going back to this investigation, ano ang masasabi mo tol sa ginawa natin investigation? Anong napansin mo? You've been here 2 years ago or a year ago, maybe matagal na panahon ka hindi nakabalik dito, but ano sa tingin mo nangyari ngayong gabi?
Ngayon, kanina, malakas talaga siya. Malakas dun sa spot na yun. Tsaka yung experience ko, dati tsaka ngayon parehas lang.
Same lang.
Same lang.
Talaga
Same lang.
nagwawala rin yung
Tama,
equipments
tama.
doon, ano?
Tsaka nakaka-capture tayo, nakita mo naman,
Yes. Yung static shot na ginawa natin, actually yung iba doon, hindi ko alam kung, hopefully nakita sa, sa footage. Kasi, yung activity ng REM pad, talagang umilaw, nag-green siya talaga. It captured something and also yung motion sensor natin. Pero itong mic na to, na connected dyan sa camera na yan, nakadikit sa akin kanina. Hindi ko alam kung narinig yung music box kung na-capture na to.
Narinig niya yan sigurado.
Hopefully narinig, And yung ibang activities like yung dun sa isang spot na nilagay mo yung REM pad, talagang nagwala rin doon. Unfortunately, hindi yata natin nakunan agad. Hinabol pa namin, There are things talaga na hindi natin maipakita ng perfect sa video. But then, sa experience, we have captured some activities and that's why we're here. That's why we did this. We're just looking for proof, ng kamultuhan. No? Solid proof. No, and nakita niyo naman, inaano natin, we try to debunk everything na nakaka-capture natin, like yung activities ng no motion sensor nung una. Feeling ko kasi natitrigger siya talaga dun sa shadow. Pero I'm not sure kasi kanina nung ginaganon ko yung shadow, wala naman, di niya nakaka-capture. So, kanina nagwawala yung motion sensor and nilipat natin ang spot, meron pa rin nakaka-capture. So, I think, if you ask me, we have captured something great. No, and again, mga ordinaryong ghost hunter po kami and investigators.
Wala kaming third eye.
Yes, wala kaming third eye. Wala tayong ESP.
Wala kami nun.
We could not see kung meron talagang but we do it sa pamamaraan ng mga equipment namin.
Na kung anong lang yung alam namin.
Kung ano lang yung alam namin, ano yung pwede natin makapture. So, it's a very good investigation. I want to say thank you to you, brother, for bringing us here, and it's a great experience. Again, it's my first time doing an investigation here in Hong Kong. And syempre, tanungin din natin isa-isa yung mga kasama natin. Let's start off with Jersey. Lika dito, Jersey. Jersey, how's the experience?
It was great. A lot of stuff happened, and we also heard like footsteps.
Footsteps.
Yeah.
Wow.
From dun sa pwesto nyo, dun sa tinatanaw nyo,
Yeah.
yung parang may nakita tayong tao kanina kasi pero akala namin taong nakatayo, yung pala yung pinaka sign lang niya. So it's your first time doing ghost hunting, right?
Yeah.
So would you do it again?
Yeah, definitely.
Why?
I don't know. I like the feeling of it. I don't know. I'm kind of open of like, how do I say, exploring new things.
Pero you've been doing urbex for how long na?
It's not that long. It just also started.
But
like,
why? I wanna know, bakit mo ginagawa siya? Bakit? Ano nag-drive sa'yo para gawin yun? Aside from curiosity, of course.
Kasi I know there's more stuff to what we, so kung ano nakikita natin. So I'm like, just also like trying to explore like paranormal investigation.
Yeah.
And then urbexing, I also only tried it first kasi I wanted to like see how the experience of like going abandoned places before actually doing like a paranormal investigation. So, but yeah, I've always been keen on like doing a paranormal investigation. Kasi even before, sa ano kasi namin sa, how to say, province in my home.
You're from Bicol, diba?
Yeah, sa bahay namin mismo. As in, we also
Meron
have
din.
Yeah. So I grew up in that type of like environment.
Well, the good thing about sa gusto mo, na meron kang na-meet na isang, kasi in the Philippines, we always, there's an issue with legit and fake ghost hunters, no? So, good thing na ang kasama mo at na-meet mo, naging kaibigan mo si Retzel, because he's really one of, I'm not saying this, like, kasama ko si Retzel. Retzel 18 is one of the best na Filipino ghost hunters na kilala ko at napanood ko at nakita ko, kasi he's not overreacting, he's not doing, any type of BS. He's not doing some crazy experiments na wala na sa hulog, because other ghost hunters, they do experiment. There's nothing wrong with experiment na magsusubukan ng ganitong bagay sa investigation, pero there are things na hindi mo na kailangan gawin kasi wala nang logic masyado, no? Pero si Tol Retzel, he's been doing this for a long time, and he's really one of the best. And again, there's no bullshit in what I'm saying right now. At totoo to, So you guys gotta subscribe to Retzel18, and we have to support him dahil he's the only guy representing Hong Kong. Filipino guy representing Hong Kong. So I'm just really proud and honored to be with Retzel18 at nakapag-imbestiga tayo. Thank you, brother. Salamat ang marami sa'yo. And nakausapin natin, of course, he's not new with ghost hunting kasi pagka abroad, pagka nasa ibang bansa ako nag-investigate, kasama ko talaga. This is my son, this is River Kalel. So, what can you say about our investigation?
Sa barracks, it was good experience naman. Pero I feel so paranoid since that I keep hearing footsteps and parang weird sounds.
Weird sounds. Pero saan ka natatakot? Sa multo o sa baboy mo?
Baboy mo, syempre.
Same here. Same. Anyways, great job, anak. Nag-observe lang siya and he knows what to do. This is our future ghost detective. As well, tol. Future ghost detective, yung mga susunod sa yapak natin, tol. Eto na, nag-uumpisa na actually, no?
Exactly.
So soon you'll be seeing them on YouTube with their own channels, and we will support them all the way. Of course, si Jersey mag-YouTube na rin to, papasok na to. And let's not forget, ang magiging mentor ni Jersey at ang mentor niya talaga si Retzel18. So that's very good. That's great news. And now, kausapin natin, ito bayaw ko. It's his first time with me, tol. No? First time niya nag-investigate with me. So, Bay, anong masasabi mo with our investigation?
Goods lang. May mga footsteps nga and sometimes, mabibigat sa ulo, pero yun, at least nakapag-cooperate sila somehow sa mga naranasan natin kanina.
Pero kanina, nabanggit mo na nagulat ako kasi yung bigat ng ulo mo. Kasi you've experienced some things na even before nung bata ka pa lang.
Oo.
Nakakagulat na yung sakit ng ulo niya, si Retzel, ganun din ang nangyayari. Pero it's not because of the cold eh. Kasi ito yung bagay na sinasabi natin, you can experience things in person na hindi mo ma-explain sa video kasi hindi mo naman mapapakitaan ng proof sa video, no. So but anyways, can you tell us about that, yung parang bumibigat ang ulo mo dun sa spot?
Doon lang sa may pinuntahan natin kanina sa bandang gitna, doon ko na-experience yung sobrang sakit ng ulo ko na parang hindi mo ma-imagine kasi yung bigat niya hindi yung bigat ng dahil sa antok ka, hindi yung bigat dahil sa nilalamig ka, pero ramdam mo na parang may nakapasan sa ulo mo. Ganun yung pakiramdam nung...
Same with you, tol, no?
Sabi ko nga,
Same feeling.
Sa spot na yun.
Ayaw talaga ni Tol Retzel dun eh. But anyways, again, thank you, Bombay. It was very fun being with you. And again, Tol, let's end this. Let's wrap this up. That's it. We're gonna wrap this up. That's it for this investigation. Again, we are here in Hong Kong. This is the former military barracks dito somewhere sa Hong Kong Island na to, diba?
Hong Kong Island.
And again, this is my brother Retzel18. Please do subscribe and check out his channel. He's really good. One of the best Filipino ghost hunters that I know na nandito sa Hong Kong. Peace, love, and respect to everyone. Take care, God bless. And we are gone.
It's time to one day. I don't know why. Listen to me, got a hard to cry. Keep trying to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's taking too long. All I know is a viral thing. Watch the pop out as a pimple swing. Watch the pop out to the end of the day. Watch the fire show its soul. On the way, and look down below. Watch the tap go right out the window. Gotta hold on, but ain't even know what's in it all. Just watch you. Thank